Good morning children, welcome to the online class. Today we will discuss about reading and analysis of maths. In this lesson we will discuss and we will know about the map making, about the history of the map making, when it was started and who started it. Who started it? At first Sumerians prepared only their temple records on the map, and afterwards Babylonians are the first people who prepared the world maps. Who are the people prepared world map? Was Babylonians. After Babylonians, Greece people, that means Greek people prepared map, and they showed the map in three places, that is Asia, Libya and Europe. That only they showed. And all these people, they showed their country in the center, and the remaining places they showed around the city only. They prepared the maps by the descriptions given by the sailors. They only mentioned the sea coast only, not the interior part. Greek people are the people who prepared the maps by using with the help of longitudes and latitudes. But it took 2000 years to get a correct view of that latitudes and longitude. In this way we should know about one of the cartographer, famous cartographer, that is Ptolemy. Who was that? Ptolemy. His ideas are inspired all the people, those who are preparing maps. Okay, and in this way, how that Europeans, that means Babylonians or Sumerians or Greek people prepared map, in the same way Arab people, Arab traders also wanted to prepare maps. Arab traders wanted to prepare maps. So they started. They also showed that Arabia in the center, Arabian part in the center, and the remaining part around it. Arabian, but their ideas are different from others. They showed then generally in the maps, on the maps, how we will show the directions in the top of the map we will show generally north, and bottom we will show south, and right side we will show east side, and your west side we will show. But the Arabians prepared the maps by showing the top portion as a south and bottom part as a north they showed. Understand? So some different from others. Next, Chinese also prepared maps. Chinese wanted to show their land records and villages to the emperor, so they also prepared maps. Chinese people also prepared maps. In that maps also, Chinese people showed Eurasia, a little bit part of the Eurasia, but they did not show some parts of Northeast Asian side, but they showed Cape of Good Hope. What is that? Cape of Good Hope. It was not mentioned by the Europeans. Okay, this Chinese people. Later, Europeans started map making. They did not revise this Ptolemy books. They started, and they are inspired by the ideas of the Bible. As per the ideas of the Bible, the world was, they made the maps in three land bases, just like three land surfaces, just Asia, Libya and Europe. In this way they showed. Why did they show like this? Because Jerusalem was in Asia, which is the holy place of Christian, that is Jerusalem is in Asia. So they showed Asia in a bigger size, and in the bottom side Libya and Europe they showed in a smaller size, and it was surrounded by ocean. That only prepared by the Europeans. When in 1480, around 1480, Europeans started revising and observing the Ptolemy books. Then they are stunned by seeing the observations of the by seeing and observing the ideas of Ptolemy in the map making. In that time, after that, the Arabians stopped the route from Mediterranean Sea to Asian countries. If any European trader wanted to come to Asian countries, they should cross the Mediterranean Sea. But by the end of the 15th century, the Arabian traders stopped that voyage. So the European traders, mainly Portuguese people, Spain people, English people, Dutch people, they wanted another sea route to this Asian countries. So in that way, in that process only, one of the Spanish person, Columbus, he travelled towards the west side and he reached America. One of the Portuguese sailor, who was Vasco da Gama, he started his journey towards the south and afterwards east side he moved, and then he found a sea route to our India in another route. Okay, Vasco da Gama. Vasco da Gama was the first person who discovered new sea route through Atlantic Ocean and by crossing Indian Ocean to India. He discovered this in 1498. Okay, at the time they came to know that Earth is not a flat disk. It is a round. At the time only they found another continent was also there, that is America. Okay, next, one of the at the time only Holland also emerging as a great power. One of the Dutch cartographer, Gerardus Mercator, he prepared some ideas in the preparation of maps. Generally, if we want to show the map on the paper, we can't show the curvatures properly. We can't observe that curvatures. Particularly the sailors wanted this. They are unable to understand. If it was drawn on the flat surface, they are unable to understand that. For this problem, it was solved by the projection of the Mercator. That means the ideas of the Mercator. It made easy to prepare the map, which is in a round shape, for the sailors. In this way, the map making was started, and it came to one conclusion. The remaining topic we will discuss in the next class. Thank you, children.